this is a task we can probably do today. Elevator pitches. This is, don't all cheer at once. Elevator pitches. So, before you hit publish on your book, if you were to get into an elevator with J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, and she knew you were an author and she gave you a nudge and said, so, what's your book about then? I'm going to the 5th floor, you've got 20 seconds, and if it's any good, I'll pitch it to my publisher, and you're going to go, and he times out and she's gone. So what you need to do is have something short and sweet. My book is about X, Y, and Z. It's a fantasy, it's a science fiction, it's a romance, it's a crime, and it's about such and such a guy that gets in trouble with the police and blah blah blah. You need to be able to, we need to know what it's about. Not only that, but for friends and family as well, when you're at a party, and I don't know how many of you published authors have had this, but they'll come up to you and say, so how's your book going? They don't really care, they just, it's something to talk about. Yeah. How's your book going? And you'll say, oh, it's great, it's great, it's great, and they'll say, so what's it about? And you start this 20-minute, 30-minute conversation, and you can see them going, that's interesting. If you do it in 10 seconds and they want to know more, then they'll ask you more. It's a way to kind of answer the question, don't answer the question, and not to ramble on for too long and bore people. Because people will ask you how your work's going and how well your book's selling, and some of them will care, some of them might not care and just be doing it to be polite. So it's always handy as well to have this short and sweet elevator pitch. So the task at the moment is to prepare two sentences that you can read in about 20 seconds. We have time, if you want to give it a quick go, I'll give you 5 minutes to have a go at it. Just think about, what's your book about? What are you writing? And it'll give me a chance to get some more water.
Well,
Yes?
It's got a bit of a twist in it and you don't want to reveal it, but you need to give away enough. How do you do it?
Well, you would just say, my book is about blah blah blah. There's an awesome twist at the end, but if I tell you that, there's no point in reading the book, is there?
Again, just
Yeah, something short and sweet. Yeah, if I told you, I'd have to kill you. And especially if you're writing a crime, that might go down quite well. Okay. 3 self-publishing mistakes I made.
That's probably it. I may have linked to you on Facebook.
You might have done. I get around, I'm everywhere, I'm like a plague. I'll give you another 2 minutes and then we'll move on. As well, if you think about it, the back of your book, if you can memorise that bit, that'd make a brilliant elevator pitch as well, because if you can memorise it. Or, to the best part anyway, follow the guideline on the back of the book, because you've had to write this to tell somebody who's potentially going to be looking at it in 10 seconds online. They're going to be scrolling down, so what's that about? Yeah, okay, that's for me, no it isn't. So that ain't actually a bad idea, using the blurb on the back. Don't cheat. Right from scratch, I don't think. I think InDesign is about, I use it for my company, so like my authors who, I do publishing for, I've clicked on the wrong thing. I use InDesign and it's a monthly subscription, it's something like $17.99, and all the layouts and things in here are all done in InDesign, and it's so easy. Adobe InDesign, it's about $17.99 a month, you can cancel it any time. And it gives you access to do all the layouts and things, so we did all our layouts through InDesign. Yeah. Not just for children's books, you can do layouts for anything, and it turns it into like a publishable PDF, and you can specify you want your images to be 300 dpi or more, you want your margins to be this, your bleed to be that. It's, you know, all that might have not made any sense.
I've got a tin cover designer, I'm alright.
Because I've been trying to do it through Amazon I've tried God knows how many times, over and over again with Amazon, because it's children's, isn't it?
Please do not use an Amazon template.
Yeah, it was, and it's driven me crackers.
Amazon, I love you, if you're watching this, I love you, but the templates, they're very basic, everybody will use the same templates, and they look self-published. Yeah. They're great if you're doing it for a personal, like it's your diary that you just want to see printed. If it's for you, that's fine. If you're putting it out to other people, please don't.
I've got a classic example I've got before when I used their template in the after when I used a cover designer with me. So if you want to look afterwards.
Yeah, definitely. Because that's the one thing that just made me want to put it.
The other good thing with cover design is, I'll give you these tips. All of these books here that you see are me. I've done these. I've not had any other external involvement. These are all me, except for that one because that was illustrated and I'm naff at drawing. But all these were all me. Done on Canva. Has anybody heard of Canva? Yeah? Canva, C-A-N-V-A. It's free if you just create an account. There is a premium version. Don't need it. You don't need it, guys, just sign up for free. You get access to free images, free fonts, free layouts. They will give you the sizing for an ebook, like that. You just click it, it's there. Kindle pre-sized. All you do is drag and drop your images in. You can upload whatever you want.
What's this
And Canva, C-A-N-V-A. It is magic. It's brilliant.
C-A-N-V-A.
Yeah, Canva.
If I can plug one of the talks coming at the end, there's a workshop in June that I'll be talking about.
Yeah, I don't want to go
image
into
creation as well.
encroaching on anybody else's topic, but yeah, Canva. And Pixabay, Pixabay.com for all your free, royalty-free images that you can use under the CCO license. And you can use these under the CCO license, which is the Creative Commons license. So basically you can use them without having to credit anybody or give anybody any money or that sort of thing.
They ask if you would credit them.
They do, well, they do occasionally. It really depends. If you're just downloading a specific size, you'll notice on Pixabay there's like 4 different sizes of image.
Right.
If you're downloading the smallest, next to smallest, usually they'll just have it.
Okay.
If it's after that, they might want a little bit of something or a credit, but you know, that's what you read the rules, don't you guys, before you use things like that. So, but yeah, they're really good size. Are you happy to move on?
Yeah, that's
So,
good.
let's move on. Number 8, we've got about 35 minutes and I'm already on nearly at the end. I've got a couple more slides, so we'll use whatever time's left for you to just ask questions, clarify other things. You know, if there's all you want to know from me, just feel free. We'll use that time for that. So let's go on to number 8. Know what you want. Who here actually knows what they want from their book? What they want from their life as a writer?
People to enjoy
Oh, not
it.
for writers, rather a bit large.
Do you want success, fame, J.K. Rowling lifestyle? Do you just want to see it in print? Do you just want to hold a
I
copy of
want
your
people
book?
to enjoy it.
Yeah. So you want how many readers are you
A
aiming
movie.
for? Yeah, okay, so a couple of hundred. I've got authors signed to me. One of them's very, very ambitious. I want book signings, I want this, I want that. Let's get stuck in. And then I've got other authors that are like, I'm just pleased to see it in print. If I get to do events, that's fantastic. I'll love every minute of it. If not, I'm not bothered. I just really wanted to see it in print by a certain date or a certain time or a certain sort of point in the life. And that's, you know, it's up to you. Whatever you want from your publishing experience, whatever you want from your book is up to you. Success means different things to different people. And this is why I've included it, because a lot of people will write a book and they'll fling it on Amazon. They'll do absolutely no marketing, absolutely no editing, nothing. It just goes up on Amazon and then they are depressed within a week because it's not sold. Well, what do you expect? Know what you want and aim for that target. You know then how much effort to put in, how much to worry about it, how many events you need to be booking. It gives you that timeline and effectively kind of a roadmap, a plan as to where you're heading and by when do you want to be there. It's like me driving to Harrogate today from Bradford. I needed to know where we're going, any traffic issues, where we're going to park. None of that mattered because I got lost. But, you know, that's just me. But just know what you want and know what success means to you. So I just thought we'd have the task for that one is just have a brief discussion just about what success means to you guys. What do you want? Clearly, you're here today, so clearly publishing and writing must mean something to you or you wouldn't have spent the money to come to the workshop. So I know the basic level of where we are, but who here wants, and honestly, we're not going to laugh fame and fortune from a book.
Yeah.
I'll put my hand up, fame and fortune would be nice.
Fortune.
Not really.
I'd love to be able to pour money in a bath and get in it. I'd love to be able to spread it on a bed and do like a dive bomb and watch all the money go up in the air.
Hey, that would be good for
It'd be brilliant, that
She's off again.
There you go, we've given you ideas.
You know what, I have to say, I'm not expecting fame and fortune. In fact, when I finish this, I've probably been doing this for charity because I've had so many people pouring in.
That's extremely interesting because this isn't a, I want tons of money, I want this. This book is purely for charity. So you're pushing it because you know what you want from it, but you want to support that charity. So that's why it's important, that's why it means something.
Mine actually, it started off from a sober lunch where we were talking about different things. Sober, yeah, I know, I can't even explain the
Right,
alcohol.
drunk, edit sober.
Very sober. One, lemonade.
That Ernest Hemingway said that. Right, drunk, edit sober.
Do that at uni.
Oh, you know, right, drunk, edit drunk. If you've got an editor, why not?